Are you ready to revolutionize the way that you approach health insurance and healthcare decisions? At Venteur, we're on a mission to make healthcare personalized, informed, and empowering. Hey there, and welcome back to our channel, Venteur Health, your go-to source for all things ICHRA, health insurance, and wellness. I'm Lori, and today we're diving into the significance of seasonal health checks and how our innovative ICHRA plans can keep your family thriving year-round. Seasonal health checks are more than just routine appointments. They're proactive steps to safeguarding your family's well-being. Let's explore why they're essential. In the spring, it's all about renewal. Schedule annual checkups to assess overall well-being and set the foundation for a healthy year ahead. As summer approaches, sun safety becomes paramount. Schedule dermatology checkups to check in on your skin health, and don't forget to wear sunscreen to protect you and your family from harmful UV rays. In the fall, it's time to focus on allergy management. Consult allergists to ensure a comfortable autumn season for your family. And as winter arrives, strengthen your family's immunity with timely vaccinations and immune system assessments to combat cold and flu season. But what sets Venteur's ICHRA plans apart? Our AI-driven approach offers personalized health insights by analyzing over 30 years of claims data, allowing you to understand your future health needs and plan accordingly. Financial security is a top priority. Our AI model recommends plans based on balanced coverage, ensuring options that work with your financial and health situation. We understand that every family is unique. That's why our ICHRA plans offer flexibility, allowing you to tailor your plan to your family's specific needs. At Venteur, we're not just another healthcare provider. We're the architects of a new future in health insurance. Our commitment to personalized guidance and better healthcare decisions is at the core of everything we do. So take the first step towards a brighter, healthier future. Choose Venteur as your trusted partner in healthcare decisions. Your family's well-being deserves nothing less. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on navigating the world of healthcare. Together, let's empower ourselves to make informed choices and prioritize the health and well-being of our families. Take care, stay healthy, and I'll see you soon.